Number 1. This cinematic tells about a friend's worry about a lost best friend. Number 2. Number 3. This cinematic is entitled My Loneliness, tells the story of a feeling felt by a younger sibling who was left by his brother while studying. Number 4. This cinematic entitled Hope tells of a little girl who has hope in her native land which is rich in natural resources.
Namanya Nisa, duduk di kelas 3, sekolah dasar. Ia tinggal berdampingan di atas tanah yang penuh harapan. Alamnya indah dan penuh dengan kekayaan.
Number 5.
Hari ini kita mengulang kisah kawan.
Cinematic entitled My Friend Who Is No Longer Young tells of an old vehicle that
Hari
becomes a
di mana
true friend on every
Kita
journey.
berkenalan. Perasaanku saat itu bercampur aduk. Senang, bahagia. Ya, entah apalah namanya lagi. Penampilanmu sederhana namun bersahaja.
For more cinematic, please check the description link below.